Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So in today's video we're going to be installing a vinyl banner on the truck, so it's going to be a quick and easy video. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so before we install we do have to clean the windshield. Now I do recommend a solution of water and a drop of dish soap, so I recommend using Dawn. It really helps with removing any grease, any dirt. After we clean it off, we are going to be using rubbing alcohol just to make sure that there's no grease from our fingers or any dirt that might have got stuck on the windshield. So rubbing alcohol is going to be the best way to degrease all that, and then we're going to go ahead and install. Now I don't have any second hands, so it is just going to be me. We'll see how it goes. Alright guys, so I'm inside the truck trying to cool down. You guys just saw me install the banner. One person, just me. I had to use the tape and the water method. So guys, it looks so sick from the inside. I'm about to show you what it looks like. Alright guys, so you guys saw me install the windshield graphics on the truck. Guys, it came out very clean, very sick, but overall it took me maybe about an hour. Obviously you guys saw the challenges that I had, but guys, like the video, share it if you can, and thanks for watching.